Have you ever wondered why some men, no matter how average they seem, have women chasing them, while you feel like you're always the one doing the chasing? It's not just your looks, your bank account, or even your smooth-talking skills. Even though those can help, it's something much deeper in the next few minutes. I'm going to reveal to you a set of psychological secrets that attract women to you effortlessly. By the end of this video, you won't just attract women. You'll have them obsessively chasing you, but only if you stay till the very end, because the final principle we discuss will completely change how you see relationships forever. Are you ready? Comment "ready" below and let's dive into the truth. Number 1. The emotional blueprint of attraction. Let's start with a harsh truth. If you've ever wondered why she didn't call back, why she ghosted you after what you thought was a great date, or why she ended up with that guy you can't stand, it's not because you weren't good enough. It's because you didn't tap into her emotions. Women don't fall for men. Logically, they don't sit down and make a pros and cons list about why they should date you. No attraction happens in the heart, not the head. It's raw, unpredictable, and entirely emotional. Here's a question for you. You ever seen a woman fall for a man who, on the surface, seemed completely average? Maybe he wasn't the tallest, richest, or best-looking guy in the room, but women were drawn to him anyway. Why? Because he knew how to make them feel special, feel intrigued, feel uncertain. Feel alive, you see. Emotions are the strings that pull the heart. When you understand how to play those strings, you become the man she thinks about when she lies awake at night. You become the man she compares every other guy to. But here's the problem. Most men don't understand how to create these feelings. They think being nice, buying gifts, and showing up is enough. But that's not what works in today's world. Women have endless options, and the only way to stand out is to make her feel something intense, something she can't ignore. Think about the guy who's always there, always texting her back immediately, always saying yes. Does she appreciate him? Sure. But does she chase him? Does she fantasize about him? No, he's predictable. He's too easy. Attraction dies in predictability. If you want her to chase you, you have to create a mix of intrigue, excitement, and yes, even tension. It's not about being mean or manipulative. It's about being magnetic. Here's a quick exercise for you. Think about a woman you've been interested in recently. Did you approach her trying to impress her? Or did you approach her with the energy of a man who already knows his worth? The first way feels like work, doesn't it? You're trying, pushing, convincing. But the second way, that's effortless. That's where real attraction starts. And that's what we're going to uncover in the rest of this video. Number 2. The importance of Stoic control. Let me paint you a scenario. You're talking to a woman and things are going great. Then out of nowhere, she says something that feels like a test. Maybe she questions your intentions, criticizes you, or brings up another guy. She's been seeing how do you react. Most men crumble under this kind of pressure. They stammer, get defensive, or worse, start trying to win her approval. But the man who stays calm, the man who meets her test with a quiet confidence and a playful smirk, that's the man she can't stop thinking about. Stoic control is the ability to remain unshaken in the face of chaos. And let me tell you, women test men all the time, not because they're cruel, but because they want to know what you're made of. Can you handle her moods? Can you stay composed when things get tough, or will you fall apart the moment she challenges you? The answer to those questions determines whether she sees you as a leader or just another guy. Here's the truth. Women respect men who respect themselves, and respect is the foundation of attraction. If she senses that you're easily rattled or desperate for her approval, she'll lose interest faster than you can blink. But if she sees that you're steady, uneffable, flappable, and in control of your emotions. She'll start to see you as the kind of man who can handle anything, and that's incredibly attractive. Think about it. Why are women so drawn to characters like James Bond? It's not just his looks or his charisma, it's his composure. He could be in the middle of a high-stakes mission surrounded by danger, and he'd still be sipping his martini. Like it's no big deal. That kind of unshakable confidence is magnetic, and the good news is you don't have to be a secret agent to cultivate it. Start practicing Stoic control in your everyday life. The next time something doesn't go your way, resist the urge to react immediately. Take a deep breath, assess the situation, and respond with calmness and clarity. This isn't just about impressing women. It's about becoming a man who can navigate life's challenges with grace and confidence. And trust me, when she sees that nothing phases you, she won't just be attracted, she'll be hooked. Number 3, understanding emotional tension. Now, let's get into one of the most powerful concepts in attraction: emotional tension. If you take nothing else from this video, take this: emotional tension is the secret sauce that keeps women chasing. It's what makes relationships exciting, what keeps her coming back for more, and what separates you from every other guy trying to win her over. So what is emotional tension? It's that feeling of uncertainty, of anticipation, of wanting more, but not being sure if you can have it. It's the reason people binge watch shows with cliffhangers, the reason we're drawn to mystery and suspense in relationships. Emotional tension is what keeps her intrigued, what makes her think about you when you're not around, and what makes her want to be the one who gets your attention. Imagine you're texting a woman, and instead of replying instantly, you take your time, not because you're playing games, but because you're busy living your life. She sends a follow-up text. Hey, did you get my message in that moment? She's thinking about you, wondering what you're doing, why you haven't replied. That's emotional tension. It's not about being unavailable. It's about creating space for her to miss you. Emotional tension also comes from unpredictability. If she knows exactly what you're going to do or say at all times, she'll lose interest. But if you keep her guessing, if you mix kindness with playfulness, seriousness with humor, she'll never know what's coming next, and that's what keeps her hooked. Here's another scenario. You're on a date, and instead of showering her with compliments, you tease her a little. She laughs, but there's a flicker of surprise in her eyes. She's not used to a guy who can challenge her in a fun, light-hearted way. In that moment, you've created emotional tension. She's intrigued. She wants to know more about you. She wants to figure you out. But let me be clear, emotional tension is not about manipulation. It's about creating a dynamic that feels alive, dynamic and exciting. It's about being the kind of man who keeps her on her toes, who makes her feel something real. And when you master this, you won't have to chase women. They'll be chasing you. Number 4, triggering positive emotional states. Let's talk about what makes a woman feel addicted to. You women don't fall for what you say or even what you do. They fall all for how you make them feel. It's not about logic, it's about emotion. And here's the kicker: emotions are addictive. If you can make her feel a cocktail of positive emotions, joy, excitement, curiosity, and even a little tension, she'll associate all of those feelings with you. She won't just like you, she'll crave you. Think about it. Why do people keep going back to the same movies, songs, or expert experiences? Because those things made them feel something unforgettable. Women work the same way in relationships. If you're just nice, if you're always agreeable and predictable, she'll see you as safe but boring. But if you're the guy who knows how to trigger deep emotional highs, you become the experience she never wants to leave. So, how do you do this? Let's start with joy. Women are drawn to men who know how to create moments of happiness. It could be a funny story, You tell a spontaneous adventure you plan, or even just a compliment that makes her feel seen and special. But here's the secret. Don't overdo it. Compliments lose their power if they're constant and generic. Instead of saying you look great, try something like you've got this energy about you tonight. Hard not to notice. Now she's not just hearing the words, she's feeling them. Excitement is the next ingredient plan, something unexpected. Don't just do dinner and a movie. Take her somewhere she's never been, or surprise her with a small but thoughtful gesture. Maybe you pick her up and say, "I have a surprise for you, tonight." The anticipation alone will get her heart racing, and when the experience delivers, she'll associate that excitement with you. But the real magic happens when you combine joy and excitement with curiosity. Leave her wondering just a little when she asks, "What are we doing tonight?" Don't give her the full plan right away. Let her guess. Let her wonder. Let her build up that emotional anticipation. And when you finally reveal it, she'll feel like she's part of something special. The key is to balance these emotions. If you're always predictable, the excitement fades. But if you're always distant or mysterious, she'll lose trust. The sweet spot is being just unpredictable enough to keep her intrigued while grounding her in positive emotional experiences. And when you master this, you won't just be someone she likes. You'll be someone she can't stop thinking about. Number 5, mastering push-pull dynamics. Let me introduce you to one of the most powerful tools in attraction. The push-pull dynamic. This isn't just a strategy. It's a psychological dance that keeps women emotionally invested. Most men either key